Good day. My name is GP, and I am here to help you, uh, your bird, to learn to sing. So, what I'm doing is I record my own voice without any background music. It's purely just my voice, and then you can play or record it yourself, or whatever you think is the best, and help the bird in that way to sing that song. And I think obviously, the more you repeat it, quicker your bird will be able to sing that song or even songs maybe in future, especially if you have a parrot that can get very old. So, yeah, I believe that it will really help you. And thank you for listening to me and your time. Goodbye.